Today, we want to introduce you to how to set up a back-in-stock form with the new Woostify add-on, Callback. Now come to learn how to use Callback. First, in the WooCommerce dashboard, activate the Callback add-on to enable it. Then, click on the Settings button to set up Callback. Here there will be 5 sections to cover for Callback settings: Frontend Form, Messages, Style, Products, and Emails. What you set in the Frontend Form section will decide how the back-in-stock form displays on out-of-product pages. You'll cover the items here to create your form, such as I agree checkbox, name, email, and phone. You can also choose Hide Name and Show Phone. Callback offers users 2 display types for the subscription form: inline subscribe form and pop-up subscribe form. When you select inline subscribe form, the form will be displayed like that. And this is how the pop-up subscribe form works. To protect your site from spam and password decryption, you select and set Enable reCAPTCHA here. And access this link to create site key and secret key reCAPTCHA. The next section to cover is Messages. The messages set here will appear on the screen to notify customers of errors or successful subscriptions. Once customers hit the subscribe button, they will be displayed. Now let's see how the messages work on the out-of-product page. Move to the Style tab. In this section, you'll customize the form's color, font, and size. First, edit the form. Now, go to Customize the form title. To style the Submit button, you select the options here. You will set for button pop-up form if you select pop-up subscribe form in the Frontend Form section. If you select inline subscribe form, you can miss this part. In the Products section, you select the product type you want the subscription form to work on. Store owners often expect to apply this form for out-of-stock products. Therefore, we set out-of-stock products as default. The two other options are all products and select categories. For the select categories option, you type all to select all categories. To apply the back-in-stock form on specific categories, you type the names of the categories. Now, move to the Mail tab to set up the emails for the form. There are two types of email to set up: subscription mail and in-stock mail. Subscription mail is set to send to customers after they subscribe to the form. And in-stock mail will be sent when products are restocked. When you tick the subscription mail send and in-stock mail send, the system will automatically send the emails to customers. We've completed the setup for the callback form. Click the Save button to save all changes. Now let's see how Callback manages subscribers' information. Callback will manage the subscriber list in the View Subscribers section. You can see a list of subscribers with their full information such as email, name, phone, and subscribed product. Besides, Callback allows importing customer data. Choose File and import subscribers. We also can export the data by clicking Subscribed Export CSV. Going to bulk actions on this corner, you can take other actions like change status to mail sent, change status to subscribe, change status to unsubscribed, send email, move to trash.
Thank you for watching our video. Please visit Woostify.com to get more details.